Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today I'm just drawing from scratch once again a character from my up and coming game that I'm doing a tutorial series on. Stay tuned for more, but first let's pick up the pencil in this video and get started. So first of all, I just started with a round shape and a rectangle at the top for his antennae, and then I just started to work down the chin, and as you can see from the next few moments, it's quite a challenge to get the cheekbones and the chin right, so that takes a bit of practice and a bit of work.
Yeah.
And that's it. I hope you liked my technique, and you can see that I'm not the best drawer and I don't get things right from the very first attempt, so I've always got my rubber eraser handy. So keep on drawing, and if you'd like to join in along with the game creating series that I'm building, then subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.